Welcome, smart people. Today we got the last bit of assembly, and this will jump into tuning as well. But start out with the clock face here. As you can see, I've glued the numbers onto it at this point, and in a moment off camera I'll glue this into the frame. It's pretty straightforward there. Beyond that, we have the pendulum fork that gets mounted here, and it will get attached to our pendulum with the bob weight at the end of it. In here I put 14 pennies, as you can see, and I can't get it back on now. There we are. Mounted it to a piece of the shaft with a screw. Each of the segments notches into each other and gets glued in place. And then at the very end, we have a hook that goes in place that will go into our fork frame here and have a paper clip as the retaining element, along with a 1 to 1.5 pound weight and an empty one, which will get pulled on in order to ratchet up the drum. I'm going to go ahead and do that, put this on the wall, and then come